Friends, stop using castor oil alone on your skin. Yes, castor oil is incredibly moisturizing and can make mature skin feel softer and smoother, but used by itself, it only gives part of the benefit. The real magic happens when castor oil is paired with the right companion oils that help support hydration, elasticity, and a healthier-looking glow. As skin ages, especially after 60, it naturally becomes thinner, drier, and less firm. Fine lines appear deeper, texture changes, and the skin can start looking tired no matter how many creams are used. That's why combining oils correctly can make such a noticeable difference. Here are the 5 best oils to mix with castor oil for aging skin. Number 5. Evening Primrose Oil. If your skin feels dry, rough, or dull during the day, evening primrose oil can be a great addition to castor oil. This oil is rich in fatty acids that help support the skin barrier and improve moisture retention. When paired with castor oil, it helps the skin feel softer, calmer, and more comfortable. Many women notice that dehydration lines around the mouth and cheeks begin to look less visible when the skin is properly nourished. How to use: 1 part castor oil, 2 parts evening primrose oil. Warm a few drops between your palms and gently press into clean skin at night. Number 4. Rosehip Seed Oil. Rosehip oil is one of the most loved oils for mature skin because it helps improve the appearance of uneven texture and tired-looking skin. As we age, skin renewal slows down, which can leave the face looking dull or papery. Rosehip oil helps bring back a smoother, fresher appearance while castor oil locks in moisture overnight. This combination is especially helpful for fine lines, rough texture, and skin that no longer looks radiant. How to use: equal parts castor oil and rosehip oil. Apply to slightly damp skin before bed for better absorption. Number 3. Frankincense Oil. Frankincense oil has been used for centuries in skincare because of its calming and soothing properties. When diluted correctly with castor oil, it creates a rich nighttime treatment that many people use for wrinkles, dryness, and loss of firmness. It's especially popular for the jawline, neck, and deep smile lines because it helps the skin look smoother and more refreshed. How to use: 1 tablespoon castor oil, 6 to 8 drops frankincense essential oil. Never apply essential oils directly to the skin without dilution. Number 2. Sea Buckthorn Oil. Sea buckthorn oil is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fatty acids that aging skin often lacks. If your skin feels thin, fragile, or constantly dehydrated, this oil can help it appear richer, softer, and more nourished. When mixed with castor oil, it creates a deeply moisturizing blend that mature skin tends to respond to very well. Many people notice their skin looks less tired and more supple after consistent use. How to use: 1 part sea buckthorn oil, 3 parts castor oil. Use a small amount at night because sea buckthorn oil is very concentrated. Here's number 1, castor oil, my jojoba oil, my frankincense. This is one of the best overnight combinations for mature skin because each oil plays a different role. Castor oil deeply seals in moisture. Jojoba oil makes the blend lighter, smoother, and easier to absorb. Frankincense oil gives the skin a calm, refreshed appearance. Together they create a blend that helps skin feel softer, more hydrated, and more comfortable by morning. Many people say their skin starts looking less dull, less dry, and more radiant after a few weeks of consistent use. How to use: 1 teaspoon castor oil, 1 teaspoon jojoba oil, 3-4 drops frankincense oil. Apply gently to clean, slightly damp skin before bed using slow upward motions. The key is consistency. Mature skin responds best to gentle, regular care. You do not need harsh treatments or complicated routines. Sometimes the simplest combinations, used consistently, can make the biggest difference in how your skin looks and feels.